Doctors are removing a diseased gallbladder through tiny incisions. Have you ever wondered what happens when gallstones cause severe pain? The gallbladder is a small organ located just below the liver. Its job is to store bile, a digestive fluid that helps break down fats. Sometimes hard deposits called gallstones form inside the gallbladder. These stones can block the flow of bile, causing severe pain, inflammation, infection, and other serious problems. When this happens, doctors may recommend gallbladder removal surgery. The surgery begins after the patient is given general anesthesia. This means the patient is asleep and won't feel anything during the procedure. Instead of making one large cut, the surgeon makes 4 small incisions in the abdomen. A harmless gas is gently pumped into the abdomen to create more space, making it easier to see the organs. A tiny camera, called a laparoscope, is inserted through one of the small incisions. The camera sends live images to a monitor, allowing the surgeon to clearly see the gallbladder. Special surgical instruments are inserted through the other small incisions. Now comes the most important step. The surgeon carefully separates the gallbladder from the liver. Next, the small tube connected to the gallbladder, called the cystic duct, is sealed with tiny clips and then cut. The blood vessel supplying the gallbladder is also sealed with clips and divided to prevent bleeding. Once the gallbladder is completely free, it is placed into a small protective bag and removed through one of the tiny incisions. The surgeon carefully checks the area to make sure there is no bleeding or bile leakage. The instruments are removed, the gas is released, and the small incisions are closed with stitches or surgical glue. The entire procedure usually takes about 30 to 60 minutes. Because only small incisions are used, most patients have less pain, smaller scars, and recover much faster than with traditional open surgery. After the gallbladder is removed, the liver continues to produce bile, so most people can digest food normally without a gallbladder.